Welcome to the future of finance, where artificial intelligence isn't just a tool, it's your partner in unlocking new wealth avenues. Today, we're diving into the revolutionary world of money-making automation with AI. In a world that never sleeps, AI technologies are reshaping how we approach wealth creation. From algorithmic trading to automated savings, the digital landscape is buzzing with opportunities. Imagine leveraging AI to analyze and predict market trends in milliseconds, executing trades at the speed of light, maximizing your profits while you sip your morning coffee. AI's ability to process vast amounts of data and make predictive analyses is unparalleled. It's not just about speed, it's about smarter investing. But it's not all high stakes. AI is democratizing wealth, making financial advice and management accessible to everyone. Automated savings apps now use AI to tailor saving strategies, ensuring your money grows effortlessly. It's like having a financial advisor in my pocket, always looking out for me. And then there's the frontier of digital currencies. Blockchain technology and AI are a match made in heaven, opening doors to cryptocurrency investments and decentralized finance that promise higher yields and inclusivity. As we stand on the brink of this financial revolution, one thing is clear. The fusion of AI with money-making is not just changing the game, it's creating a whole new playing field. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, the time to harness the power of AI is now. Embrace the future of finance and let AI lead your way to prosperity. Thank you for watching. Dive into the world of financial freedom with AI. Subscribe for more insights and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the future that's already here.